Satellites follows the relationship between a couple, an astronaut and a climate scientist. The play jumps back and forth in time, so we meet them at various points along their relationship. They've got a lot of unusual circumstances to deal with as a couple.
I play Captain Mike Turner, an ambitious dreamer, a man of motivation.
I play Dr. Katherine Sparks. She's intelligent, she's grounded, and she's complex. Her ambition in life is to save the planet, but she becomes a mom, and her idealism is met with her desire to just be grounded in reality. She's very good at maintaining control until things kind of get a little tricky.
My character's motivation is being the man he was before he went up into space.
Satellites was a play that stood out to us. It's a terrific study of human relationships. Anytime that you can have a study of two idealists, people that believe that anything is possible in the world, it really embodies what theater is all about. It makes us think about the world around us and deals with a lot of topical issues.
A lot of the themes that are present in the play of reaching out and the uncertainty of our future are much more relevant now. And I think that's why we go to the theater, right, is to have some sort of connection, even with the strangers that are sitting next to us.
Premier Stages at Kean University is producing Satellites because it really fulfills our mission.
Seeing my play go from script to stage is incredible. They're doing all this really innovative design work, and it's going to be spectacular.
We're using a 3-projector design to create the world of space and then back on Earth. I think people are going to love Satellites because it's something super unique.
When I first read the script, it reminded me of Interstellar meets Castaway.
It's a dope story. Come see it.